Welcome to Angel Yoga. Today we will be tuning in and tuning up the chakras.
Oh, thank you, Ari. Okay, so the first thing I want you to do is to stand in mountain pose. And you can bring your feet just hip width apart. Ground your feet into the mat, but feel your roots reaching down beyond the floor, beyond the building you're in, right into the earth. And I'd like you to connect with the Earth Star Chakra. We all have a chakra that's way beneath us, connecting to Mother Earth. And Archangel Sandalphon has come in to help you connect to the earth in a new way. You may be walking a new path. You may be inviting new things into your life. There's a new frequency that's happening right now, and that's what we're kind of going to be tuning into today. So the old ways of grounding might not be working for you. You may have to find new ways that you connect to the earth. And Archangel Sandalphon is just telling me that that's why he is here, to help you find your new ways. It might be very personal to you, of connecting to the earth. So just breathe. And I want you to feel those roots going way down. And Archangel Sandalphon is clearing out the old root system, the old roots that no longer are getting nourished. So it's almost like he's bringing in a new root system. Like, not all of your roots. There's a lot that are strong and very well planted, but he's bringing in like new nourishment, new vibrancy from the earth. So just breathe and be aware of the blessing. Thank you, Archangel Sandalphon. Okay, we're ready to move into our root chakra. So I want you to widen your stance, because we're going to go into a squat. So find what's comfortable for you, that your knees are not going over your ankles, and find a really comfortable squat, because you're going to be here for a few moments. Make sure you're not tilting your hips too far back or too far forward. You're kind of finding a neutral spine, straight spine. And we're going to root that root chakra and connect it to the earth, connecting down to that Earth Star Chakra that we just tuned into. And just breathe here. Your legs might start vibrating a bit or bouncing a bit. And I want you to bring your hands up into cactus. We're moving into goddess pose. Palms facing forward. Take a deep breath. And Archangel Ariel, who came forth to help us with our root chakra today. So first of all, Ariel's just going to go in and clear out some debris. What he's showing me is almost like weeding a garden. He's going into that root chakra, and anything that you're ready to let go of, old growth, old stories, old beliefs, old contracts, he's weeding that out. She or he, because he feels very masculine today, but normally I feel Ariel's a feminine. I just want you to breathe while this is happening. Give permission for that to go. And now squat a little bit deeper. I'm going to bring in some of those I am statements, some of those invocations. You can feel in your heart if it's something you want to align with. And if there's any blocks, ask Archangel Ariel to release this for you. You can say them out loud, which is very powerful. So I'm going to go in a stance. I hope you can hear me. I am strong. I am strong. I am grounded. I am grounded. I am protected. Feel the power of that in your root chakra. I am protected at all times. Breathe that in. I am connected to the present moment. I want you to breathe that in. Archangel Ariel, It's just moving some energy in your root chakra. You might be feeling it. Now feel your body if you are in resistance to any of those statements. Ask Archangel Ariel, bring some more energy into that root chakra. Feel the energy flowing up your legs, strengthen your legs, power up your arms. One more breath here. And then let's bring our legs in. Okay, so now we're going to come down into a squat. Now you can have a supported squat if you brought a rolled up blanket with you or a block. You can come down and sit on a block, or if you're comfortable without sitting on the block, or sit on the rolled up blanket. If this position is too much for your knees or too hard on any part of you, your hips, you can always come down into bound angle. And you can have your legs wherever it's comfortable for you. So whatever position you feel most comfortable with, I'm going to sit in supported squat. Find the position that works for you. Take a breath here. We're going to be moving into your sacral. And Archangel Raphael is who came through today to work on your sacral energy. Now, we are going to be moving out into the world in new and magical and wondrous ways. This is our creativity, this is our passion, this is our relationships. So all of that has changed and is going to continue to move in beautiful new directions. So we're asking Archangel Raphael to come in and rewire that sacral energy for what the divine alignments that are coming in for the planet. So I just want you to breathe into this area. Invite Archangel Raphael to do any healing that needs to take place. And I'm going to go into the divine invocations that were given. I allow my emotions to flow. I allow my emotions to flow through me in healthy ways. I'm just seeing waves on the ocean. Just let yourself connect to water. The sacral is the water chakra. My body is sacred. I really want you to breathe that into the cells of your body from your sacral. Archangel Raphael wants us to take a moment with that one. My body is sacred. Breathe. I am living and allowing my creativity and my passions to flow. Breathe that. I am living and allowing my creativity and passions to flow. Okay, so Archangel Raphael is just showing me some blocks here, some childhood blocks. So I'm just going to sit with this for a minute. I just want you to bring your attention to your sacral and allow yourself to give up anything that's not serving your highest good, your highest purpose, and your divine future. Breathe. Take one more breath in. Feel the energy coming up through the root, up into your sacral. Letting go of everything that is not for your highest good, so that you may be attuned to this new vibrational frequency. Thank you, Archangel Raphael. Let's just bring your knees together, whatever position you're in. Just take a minute here. Take a breath before we move into bridge. Okay, when you're ready, we're going to come down. So bend your knees and bring yourself down to the ground, one vertebrae at a time. Take a minute just to hug those knees into your chest and give yourself a little back massage. And just let your knees get a little massage here. Feet back on the ground. Now, we're going to lift our hips and we're going to interlace our hands underneath our back, bringing our shoulder blades together. And I'm going to bring you into the pose and then I'm going to sit up so I make sure you can hear me. So let's lift our hips, engaging those thighs, engaging the buttocks, bring the hands interlaced, and let's curl those shoulder blades toward each other. And I really want you to feel the opening through your heart, but through your solar plexus. So the sacral's now moving up into your solar plexus. And breathe here. Take a breath. Feel how your belly is pumping energy up into the upper part of your stomach. I'm going to sit up while you're breathing so you can hear me. I just want you to feel that energy moving through you. I am confident and respect myself. We are inviting Archangel Jophiel into your solar plexus here. We're moving that energy now up through your body towards your solar plexus and your heart. Archangel Jophiel wanted to come to bring some joy, some beauty, some laughter, some self-love into your solar plexus is what she was telling me. So I want you to feel that I am confident. I respect myself at all times. I am courageous. I am whole. I am capable. Feel that energy coming up your legs, down the top of your thighs, and the energy moving through your root chakra, your sacral, and pooling into your stomach. Breathe here. I'm going to come back down and breathe with you. Now let go of the hands, move your shoulder blades out, and gently bring your hips down to the ground, tucking your knees back in, giving yourself a little hug. Just rocking back and forth. And now we're going to bring ourselves back up to seated. And we're going to do a little bit of heart breathing. So I want you to bring your hands behind you, that you are lifting your heart up. Your shoulder blades are reaching down. Your neck is relaxed. Don't overextend it back or tuck it down. Just find a neutral position for your neck, but you're really stretching through your shoulders and opening and expanding your heart. Breathe here. Archangel Chamuel is who came through to work with your heart chakra. I just want you to feel the expansion of your heart right now. The energy's moving up through those chakras. You've pooled that energy in your stomach, and now it's able to flow up into your heart, open to receive it. Open to receive all the blessings that Jophiel brought to your solar plexus, that Raphael brought to your sacral, that Ariel brought to your root, that Sandalphon brought from the earth, and feel all those blessings into your heart chakra. And now I'm going to bring the invocations. I give and receive love effortlessly. I am open to receive divine love in all areas and aspects of my life. I have the courage to listen and honor my own heart, my own divine spark. I just want you to breathe those. Archangel Chamuel is doing some heart healing work. You might want to stretch a little bit more back, move a little bit side to side, make some space in your rib cage for that energy, that frequency, that upgrade. Bring some tender love to your heart. I want you to feel the joyous love that Jophiel brought to your solar plexus, moving up into your heart chakra. And breathe. Now, bring your hands and just kind of roll your shoulders a little bit. Give your shoulders a little bit of love. Your shoulder blades may have been stretched a bit there. You can shrug your shoulders a little bit. We're just going to twist. Take your right hand to your left knee and give yourself a little twist. Breathe here. And let's go to the other side. Just a little twist, just to twist out anything that you stretched. You might have done some fascia release. We can hold a lot in this area of our body. And I just want Archangel Chamuel to be able to move into those cells. Shoulder plane, we've been, bracing against a lot of stuff. So I just want to give the shoulders some extra love before we move up into the throat. So whatever feels good for you, maybe some stretches, maybe some rolls, another twist. Tune into your body and ask your body what it needs. What it needs to move, how it needs to move. Allowing those energies to flow. And when you're ready, just take a breath in stillness, attuning to the invocations that we've done so far. We're just sitting in the heart for a moment. Now we're going to come back down to the ground. So bring yourself down gently. And while your knees are bent, you're going to lift your hips and place your hands just under your buttocks, under your sit bones. And then straighten out your legs. We're going to come into fish. So what you do is you raise yourself up on your elbows. So find the position that's best for you. And then let your head go back down to the ground. Don't cringe your neck. Be very aware of your neck. Keep your weight on your lower arms, arching your back, feeling that stretch in your throat. Point your toes, engage your legs. Now I'm going to sit up so you can hear me. Now if at any time it gets too tiring for you, you can lay back down on the ground, but try to stay in bridge, stretching out that throat chakra, feeling the divine alignments coming in from Micheal. Micheal came through for your throat chakra today. So I just want you to breathe into that throat. It's connecting to all the lower chakras. And the invocations are, my voice matters. Breathe that in. Allow Archangel Micheal to clear out anything that tells you that that is not true. Any illusions, any old programs, any beliefs, anything that's ever been said to you. I'm just seeing Micheal clearing stuff out around your ears as well. Just allow any clearing that needs to happen. My voice matters. I speak with truth. A little bit of clearing there. I can easily express myself and live authentically. I just want you to breathe out. Michael's working around the back of your neck. Some tension, some old beliefs, some old programs. We're upgrading here so that your truth can be heard and seen and felt in the world. So I'm still seeing some clearing here. If you're getting tired, you can always just come back and lay on the ground, but allow the energy to be moving. Okay. Thank you, Michael. I'm going to join you. And now just bring your back down. Bring your arms out to the side of you. Bring your knees up. We're going to give another hug here. You might want to move your neck side to side very gently. Just give it some support. And when you're ready, you can turn on your side. Use your hand to just turn you over. We're going to come into child's pose. Now you can be in wide-legged child's pose where your knees are open. Or you can fold over your knees, whatever you're most comfortable with and what's ever easiest on you. So we're going to bring our hands out in front, come down into child's pose. I'm going to sit up so you can hear me. I want you to feel your third eye being completely caressed by Mother Earth. Her divine love, her strength, her new frequency is flowing up from the earth into your third eye. Just be open to receive it. I want you to close your eyes and feel completely supported here. Completely supported. And Archangel Gabriel is coming in to do some healing on your third eye. Any old, outdated belief systems about being a seer, about seeing things that other people maybe don't, about living your magic, about creating your visions and your dreams, about that ability to manifest is also very, very, very heightened, and there's a new frequency coming in that's connected to the third eye and then connected all the way down into that Earth Star Chakra. So this is what we're doing here. We're opening to receive those new frequencies, new attunements, new alignments. Just take a breath here. Here are the invocations. I trust my wisdom. Breathe that in and ask Archangel Gabriel to heal and clear any resistance or old illusional beliefs or programs that block you from your own divine wisdom. I trust my intuition. Again, we're clearing anything out that tells you that you can't, any childhood trauma that told you couldn't trust your own intuition. Any times in your life where you felt things one way but everyone else was showing it a different way and you got confused and felt like you couldn't trust the world. It's time to allow that to go and you to reconnect to your inner wisdom, your inner intuition. I see and think clearly. So now what Archangel Gabriel is showing me is wanting to detach you from any outside illusions. So I'm just seeing some clipping happening. With your permission, Archangel Gabriel's coming in and just clearing some outside illusions so you can tune into your divine truth, your divine wisdom, your divine intuition, and also your ability to create is what Gabriel is telling me. Create your visions, create your dreams, manifest. This is going to be getting more and more and more heightened. So just breathe into this beautiful chakra as it's getting upgraded. Take another breath here. I'm going to come back down. Now, for anyone who wants to move into hair with me, what you're going to do, if you want to sit up for a minute, sit up on your heels. And if this position isn't comfortable for you, you can always just lay down in Shavasana. But if you're coming into hair, you can put your hands at your heels and we're going to curve over our body, similar to child's pose, but we're going to be putting the crown of our head now on Mother Earth. So take an inhale straight back, and then as you exhale, we're going to curve over our body, bringing our hips up, crown of the head touching the ground into hair. And just take a breath here. If at any time you feel dizzy or feel like there's too much blood, because that's a certain form of beginning of a headstand to work your way towards that, you can just come back into child's pose or come back sitting up on your heels. But if you can stay in hair and breathe, allowing your crown chakra to connect to Mother Earth and becoming a circuitry of energy running through you. So energy is running up through your root, through all your chakras, and actually pouring out your crown back into Mother Earth. You're becoming this beautiful circuitry. And as this is happening, it's clearing out anything that is stagnant. It's a gentle detox. It's a gentle wash away. Just breathe and allow this to happen here. And the invocations are, I seek experiences that nourish my spirit. And I want you to feel the nourishment of Mother Earth coming up through your body and pouring back down into her. Everything that's not needed, outworn, outused, is pouring back out into her. But you are being completely nourished. I seek experiences that nourish my spirit. I trust the guidance from my divinity. Just breathe that. Allow that invocation to move through the cells. If you're laying in Shavasana, just feel that energy moving through your body, moving through your chakras. And when you're ready, gently bring yourself up back onto your knees. Take a moment here just to let all of the blood flow back through your body. Come facing forward, sitting cross-legged. And just take a breath here. Thank you, guardian angels, for the presence and the guides and the angels who are serving to elevate and align the vibrations and tuning us into divine love and support. Thanks for connecting us. Thank you for making this an empowered space for us. I ask for the highest and greatest good for everyone taking this yoga class today or on the replay. And now we're going to be doing some hand mudras. I absolutely love hand mudras, and I love how they tune you in. And what I received from our angels is, as we do the mudras, We're connecting the circuitry within our physical body. We're connecting the meridians. And we're also upgrading while we're doing this. So first I want you to just take a breath, and we are going to connect now to the Solar Star Chakra. We connected to the chakra beneath us in the earth. Now we're connecting to the one that's about this high, maybe a little bit more, that top chakra up there above your head. Archangel Uriel is coming in for that chakra, and Archangel Zadkiel is working on your crown. So they're both working together right now. You did some clearing, and now we're going to do some more aligning. So the first mudra we're going to work with is for the root chakra. And you bring your index finger and your thumb together and just place them on your knees facing up. Now I just want you to be aware that you have connected to that Solar Star Chakra. Archangel Uriel is bringing this beautiful divine love down. Archangel Zadkiel is working around your crown to bring it into your energetic body, your physical body, your emotional body, your mental body, and down into your root chakra. We've worked up, and now we're going to be bringing down in. The seed sound for the root chakra is Lam. I'm going to chant it once. You're welcome to chant it with me. Breathe into that root chakra. I'm going to go into the invocations again. Some of them might be different. Archangel Ariel is here, aligning, attuning, awakening. I am strong. I am grounded. I am protected at all times. I am connected to the present moment. Thank you, Archangel Ariel. Now I invite you to cup your right hand on top of your left so that your hands are like this, and almost like as if you're putting your hands around a pipe. So you're holding your thumbs together and your hands are cupping each other at your sacral chakra. The seed sound for the sacral is Vam. I invite you to do it with me or just receive the frequency. Breathe that love down from your Solar Star Chakra all the way down into your sacral. I allow my emotions to flow through me in healing, healthy ways. My body is sacred. I am living and aligning my creativity and passions and bringing them to the world. I joyously connect with others in safe and healthy and beautifully, divinely connected ways. My relationships are healthy. The relationship between my masculine and feminine energies are union and at one. My masculine and feminine support each other, embrace each other, encourage each other, and create together. I manifest my dreams easily, effortlessly, magically, divinely inspired, divinely created. I trust in my ability to create. Thank you, Archangel Raphael. And now, bring your hands into prayer, but point them out from your abdomen, beneath your heart and above your belly button. You can put your thumbs over each other crossed, but you're kind of pressing the heels of your palms a little bit into your abdomen. Get your elbows kind of engaged and feel that power in your solar plexus. Again, breathe that beautiful energy from your solar star coming from source down through your solar star. Archangel Jophiel is here. The seed sound for solar is Ram. You're welcome to join me. Just breathe. This is the fire chakra. Breathe in. I am confident. I respect myself at all times. I am courageous. I am whole. I am capable. Thank you, Archangel Jophiel. Oh, there's more. I joyfully create my dreams. I trust my own power. I trust my own well-being. I nourish myself with love, with kindness, with beauty. Thank you, Archangel Jophiel. And now we're going to come to the heart chakra. So we're going to bring our index fingers and thumb together again. We're going to bring the right hand to our heart chakra, and our left hand is going to be facing up on our knee. The heart chakra seed sound is Yam, Y-A-M. I give and receive love easily and effortlessly. Love flows to me easily and effortlessly. I open to receive divine love in all aspects and all areas of my life. I have the courage to listen to and honor my heart. Archangel Chamuel is here, bringing that divine love into your heart, healing any wounds or sadness, awakening your divinity, your divine spark, connecting you with your soul purpose, your soul mission, upgrading your ability to create your dreams from the heart, from a space and place of love. Thank you, Archangel Chamuel. I'm feeling all this pink love just bathing us. Jesus has come in, standing behind us, and just shining all this love into your heart. Blessing your journey, blessing your path, blessing your creations, blessing your visions, your heart spark. And he's here for the rest of the chakras. I'm just feeling so much love for all of you. And now we're going to interlace our fingers and touch our thumbs. And this is your throat chakra. You don't have to hold it up here. You can just hold it down here. It's very similar to the sacral, but your fingers are interlaced and you're making that circle. And the seed sound for this mudra is Hum. Breathe that in. Archangel Micheal is here. I'm feeling so much love. My voice matters. Feel the joy in that and the love in that. I speak with truth. I can easily express myself and live authentically. Live authenticity and live authentically. I just want you to see Micheal clearing. He's like clearing the path before you for your voice to be in the world. It's almost like he's clearing the path so others can hear you, can be attracted to you, for the wisdom that you have to share, for the love you have to bring to the world. It's like he's clearing the path before you so people can find you, can hear you properly, can hear the truth that you are sharing, is what he's telling me. Thank you, Archangel Micheal. I'm feeling that beautiful love from your solar star, from source down through the solar star, down coming into your throat chakra, aligning with your heart chakra, your solar, your sacral, your root, down into Mother Earth, into that Earth Star. And now we bring our hands together and index fingers touch, pointing up, and your thumbs can be kind of curled in. So you can curl your thumbs under, kind of like pointing. Bring your hands together and let's point up. And you can bring this to your third eye. The seed sound is Om. Archangel Gabriel is here. I trust my inner wisdom. I trust my intuition. I see and think clearly. My divine wisdom and intuition is connected to my divine source. I am a clear thinker, a clear seer, a clear visionary. My imagination is divinely attached to love, connected to love. I detach from the illusions and connect with love so that I can create the life of my dreams. Thank you, Archangel Gabriel. can move your legs around if you need to readjust. I want to switch sides. And now Archangel Zadkiel. And we're going to interlace our fingers and have our little pinkies pointing up. So our little pinkies are pointing up. I just want you to take a breath here and bring this up above your head. Your thumbs can be aligned beside each other, interlaced fingers, and pinkies pointing up. Find that your shoulders are relaxed down your back. Connect up to that solar star. Bring that source energy down into your crown. Archangel Zadkiel is here. I seek experiences that nourish my spirit. I trust in my divine guidance and my divine connections. I am open to my divine spark. It flows through me, guiding me, balancing me, supporting me, nourishing me, filling me with love. I am the light. I am love. I am divine. I am here to create divine love here on this earth at this time. Thank you, Archangel Zadkiel. The seed sound for the crown chakra is Om. Now just breathe down. Let your arms rest. Connect up to that solar star with Archangel Uriel, allowing the love and divine energy to move down. Thank you, Archangel Uriel. Thank you, Archangel Zadkiel. Thank you, Archangel Gabriel. Thank you, Archangel Micheal. Thank you, Archangel Chamuel. Thank you, Archangel Jophiel. Thank you, Archangel Raphael. Thank you, Archangel Ariel. Thank you, Archangels Sandalphon. I thank all the archangels that came here today to bless, attune, elevate, align our chakras. I just want you to take some breaths here and allow the energy just to flow wherever it needs to go. Anywhere in your physical body, anywhere in your emotional body, anywhere into your mental body, bathing you with your spiritual light, your divine light. I thank you so much for joining me today. I'm going to come over and say hi and see how everybody's doing.